Greetings and salutations! I'm back by popular demand, and this time to show you how to achieve a braid out on your very own natural hair. We're gonna need some oil, your fingers. If you don't want to use your fingers, then you're gonna need a comb and an afro pick. That's it. That's all we're gonna need. Hope it helps. Hope you enjoy. Hit that notification bell and quit trying to avoid. Now let's get into the video. Take the tip of the plait and find the groove. Stick your fingernail in it and pull down. Find the groove, stick your nail in, pull down. Groove, nail, pull down. If you're using a comb, then you do the exact same thing, only you stick the tooth of the comb into the groove. A trick my mum taught me when I was younger was to just take two pieces, pull them apart, and then the hair will start to unravel. When it gets caught and doesn't continue to unravel, just pull it back down and then do it again. And if for any reason that's not working, then just go back in with your fingernail and find the groove and pull down. Now that your plait is done, take your curls and separate them. End of the plait, find the groove, put your nail in and pull down. Find the groove, put your nail in, pull down. When you've done this enough, grab two sides and pull them apart so that the plait unravels. When it gets stopped, pull the hair back down and do it again. Big down. Take your curls and separate them. Oil your hands and then take your fingertips and just give your scalp a gentle massage. Then take your afro pick and comb your roots. Remember not to comb all the way through to the end because you will destroy the curl pattern. Just comb the roots. Just keep primping until you get your desired shape and look. And here is the final look, honey. And it should last you for about a week. If you're really good, maybe 2, but I'm not that good at it. This is gonna last a week. Now you can wear this hairstyle wherever you like. On a day, out with your girlfriends, work, school, play, whatever. It don't matter, okay? It looks good everywhere. Yeah. Just make sure no matter how long you're keeping it for, you look after it, moisturize it, spritz it, whatever. Just make sure it retains that buoyancy and volume that you had on the first day you done it. So, guaranteed this won't look like this on day 3. So, I'm not gonna have to put in some work, okay? Okay! Anyway, that's enough from me. I'm signing out and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Wait! Here's what we're looking like after a week. Not bad, not bad. I think this is the part where I pose.